Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the TPM 2.0 not detected error by enabling TPM in. First, restart your computer. As soon as it starts turning back on, repeatedly press the BIOS key on your keyboard. If your BIOS opens in a simple or easy mode, switch to advanced mode so you can access all available settings. Next, find the TPM setting. The location can be different depending on whether you have an AMD or Intel processor. If you have an AMD CPU, look for settings such as AMD FTPM configuration, AMD CPU FTPM, or AMD PSP FTPM. Open the setting and change it to firmware TPM or enabled. If you have an Intel CPU, look for Intel PTT, Platform Trust Technology, Security Device Support, or Trusted Computing. Make sure the option is set to enabled. After making the change, press F10 to save your settings and exit the BIOS. Confirm the changes if you are asked and let your computer restart normally. That's it. Thanks for watching.